The word things. I not understand. I never know so the word things.
For them things
so,
different.
Well, so I say, Zoom, what's your style? Then?
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless upon yourself first and foremost. Wanna know the style? Wull with the latest mix up and mix down. So subscribe if I your first time. Alright, people, this is I-Octane data. You see me? And I'm not gonna pretty up nothing today. The man have him reputation and him have a standards. A thing where him set for himself. He's not a cloth chaser. And a misunderstanding go on the other day, you see me? Where vloggers and other people circulate around news. And it don't look good, you see me? Because rightfully, some vloggers can get so. Them channel can get flagged if them don't do certain things. So you can't spread false rumor. If a man say thing, that don't mean him eat poop. Hey, me love the foolish more while, but end of the day, guys, we can't bring down them people in our country. When we fear bring them up.
People are going to say what them have to say, but me still can't cause the fans because it's a public forum.
True.
People have their own opinion and own perspective of how them feel about the topic where you talk about or how them feel about your persona, which is a brand.
Right.
Because majority of people are your fans right now. Them don't know you in person, which is Lava, the person behind the brand Lava. Them don't know just know acting, them don't know who behind acting. So a man might feel a particular way about some people, brand or whosoever. You know what I mean? So you have to allow them to express themselves. But here we go on. You see that music now? In the music where if you notice majority, not everyone, but 90% of who do vlogging are who have them program or who have them that. Them not do. If you notice a bad becomes the new good. Bad becomes the new good. And a whole heap of good youth are fade under the radar of the platforms them and where them are put out in the world. If you go out in the world, you hear a man say, yo, dancehall are dead in a dog and reggae music are dead, you know. Because here we go on now. And not dead it are dead. It's just that the news are who are publicize it or who are bring across the content them only are bring across a certain amount of content. If you notice over the last 6-7 years, these people who do vlogging and majority of them don't speak about the product, them speak about the people, them personal life first.
Perfect.
Before they move to the music.
Perfect.
Saying, lad no go to jail for gun one day. I must say, lad see me and I say, boy, DJ, you know, say, the rough dog, yo, Jano star. Saying, and nobody not talk about the man, nobody not play the man song, the man not rare. But as the man get hold with a one gun, the man dep on every platform would have never cover one of him song them.
Never.
Them a talk about fire now, bun. And I like me, brother, me sing all type of song. I will never stop sing fire song. I will never stop bonfire right through consistently. Them not I will drop about 3 songs one day and them not look on it. Them not look on it, you know.
Well on it. Sasha Boo one, stop it. Sasha Boo one, you know me for years, and you know me have that chopping on my fire right. That's Sasha Boo. Sasha Boo, she just want to rock with the floor.
Yeah, that's what I want you chopping on your fire.
You know, people listen to what you are saying?
No, man, them are going to listen. Well, I know, them are going to
listen. Them are talking about your split teeth, them are talking about your mouth, them are talking about my big head.
Ladies, listen to me now. When you come out of my DM, yeah? All of a sudden, 3,000 watts start following up with DM. You come out right, right? So, but them, Lava, remember, say your fans are going to eat that night, I know. Them know when my father over here, so me say you intelligence, so I respond a different level. So, I mean, I show them, say, I will never stop on fire yet. But them now play Irene song. The only thing them talk about Irene and them still talk about it now, so Irene not eating food and him jacked up. That's the narrative that people paint. And that's the narrative that these platforms paint. It's not like you, Lava, or other, a few of them out there, you know, where you will have your opinion, Zane, and although your program, a majority of people say it's Gaza oriented because you're linked with cartel and you don't know you do your thing. But at the same time, you're still, the platform is there. So any particular person can forward on the platform and express themselves without you being biased in terms of if you and them do all a conversation on the platform. So not because it's built from this foundation, that no means say if you not say Gaza, you can't forward on the platform and express yourself. So the open platform.
Good topic, right? You say right? In life, some people gotta know this in life. In life, our daily routine we choose. Every day we choose.
True.
Meaning, if you need something to drink, you're going to the corner store. All different type of juice in the corner store. I'm gonna take up a ginger ale. You're going to the restaurant, all different type of meat in there. And you buy shrimp.
Sure.
But that not say you know like next one there, you know, you understand me?
Yeah, then that may I tell you, then that may explain.
Make try to explain to the people. Vice cartel I'm a G. I know in that. Guys I'm a say.
Everybody know that.
But not everybody know that. But that not say to me say cartel I'm a G. Women a party, me not gonna pay a different artist. I pay everybody artist. And I said it already on my live and I'm gonna repeat it again. People have to know this. Me play any artist, but if I do a song like this cartel, me not gonna play it. But me play anybody a song. Anybody song.
Yes, because when somebody step out of the bone, you have to draw your line there. So. But when the platform where you create, the platform that you create, me know on my phone there. The platform that you create is for every single person. So if a man decides that him no want forward on Lava Live, is your personal opinion. That is your personal.
Then there's a think that.
You that. You know, your personal. That. So when me look into it, I say, all right, then watch your style now. See? Watch your style now. Remember, you have people on the live right about Jada, Nyam, Pussy, and Ray. Listen, no woman in the world, no man in the world, not the secret for me. Whether no one believe it or not. See, me not eat meat. No girl, check my baby mother, them pink wall always right up on my cocky, who me breed. You just say, oh, Ray. Right. No woman in the world. See? Me not oral sex, anal sex, none of them something. But watch your style now.
Right.
Watch it. Me sing a song name. We only need one chance. Yeah. Me and Ginger, them go around it.
Right.
I said them want positive songs. I'm saying positive song. I wanna go around that. Me go through again. We do our next reality song with him. Where the fire gone? Seems like everybody get caught up in the freaky life where them a live. You know, see them now, but if I no grave the earth no dig. And it look like woman of virtue, what's no more in a them a time, yeah. When them love you can bid. Missy girl advertise them body parts like a something where you put up on fridge. Nah, see no more fire burn, boy. Yeah. That's why I be a blood I run, boy. Yeah. All right, good. Them go around it.
Right.
Me do a song name, Bang a Phone. Me just do it, you know. Bang a phone them out. See Lava? That trend and go number 6. And you know why trend? Because it's debatable. Because the vlogger them start run with it now and say, and what kind of fuckery song Octane and sing him losing meds? For my youth, you never saw me sing One Chance and not go around it. Bang a Phone was deliberate. Because it's debatable on one draw. Remember I say each one I have a platform on a collect or fight every month, you know. So anything where negative, people are go into it more, people are go comment more, people are go rate, people are go that. But when you always have your platform and you only serve negative, that means you're not preserve the music or the product itself where consists of with the bigger picture. So on a trend Bang a Phone, see? Bang a Phone that even I say. Uno say uno want culture song again and then me go. Everybody needs someone to love. Everybody needs someone to care. Everybody have doubts and affairs, so everybody have moments to share. A moment I found you, which is the biggest reggae song coming out of 2020 into 2021. Zane, it got 500,000 views in a 2 months. But when I look on the streaming them, brother, our diaspora, we don't understand that our market, we consist of Jamaicans and Ray, them no look on it.
Right.
Alright, my go sir. Girl, if him no want spend on your body, tell him next. Next in line and move on. Baby, you know sell pussy, but your body is not for free. Yeah. Woman forget money naturally. Be a man start cuss. Octane, I tell a girl them fi sell pussy. Me say the first line of the song say girl you know sell pussy, but your body is not for free. Me say ladies, me man dead in the show. Whole heap of man na me DM. Yo, Ray, no girl no forget nothing. So me I say, yo dog, oh you say woman no forget nothing. Once you have a woman and you want she be exclusive to you. It's your responsibility as a man to make sure so she alright. If a next man I go make she alright. A woman you can't want one woman 100% loyalty and you not meet her criteria. See? Woman have to alright. So me say, alright, Zoom, watch that style and also. Me say, watch that style. Me say, yo, me can train in a morning, train a something where relative who don't understand that any single person can wake up a morning and train. So it don't special. Just like Jamaicans, nobody with talent that Jamaican is special. Jamaicans are some talented people. When you're talented, you're not special. Or you apply yourself, that make you special. True. Then, remember saying, a whole heap of talk show, you have quarantine bun, you have, remember say everything start from Platinum Kids Live. With me, you, Tifa, Dovey Mac, all of them people was a host tonight. Quarantine bun derived from it. This derived from it. Rare. But the consistency what you do with your thing, that's why Chat and Laugh become the biggest thing out of that. Because of how you apply yourself, right? And you put the dedication in it. So it spread across the board. So how you apply yourself. So me say, all right, Zoom, watch that style. Because I know Jamaican think. See? Me say, yo, you know, say a girl want, mama say my video, me I go drop, you know. I drop a video. And I say, yo, this is the video and I'm going to get fucked. I say, you know, say a girl want 3 million. And she have a video when me come her yard. That me say, she have a video. Me text video, you know.
That's
it. Video. Just true. Remember, say, me tell her, say, the man in my course, say, yo, Rasta no fi tell girl fi sell pussy. And I say, me never tell no woman fi sell pussy. Me just say, good pussy girl no fi suffer. Once you love a girl and you have a girl, you can't make she suffer as acting and go there with her. And you go cuss her. You would want to kill her. So me say, yo, a girl want 3 million and she have a video. Me come her yard and she video me. And me say, yo, who in the video, she do the things them. THINGS. Things them. And me I do the things them. So, oh no, of course, me still say me a rasta. Me never mention sex. Me never mention the words fuck, sex, anal, oral, backshot, lizard lap, dagger, stab, clap, knock, nothing name sex. Remember, you know, these are the same vlogger them, you know, when me link and DM a majority of them, you know, because me artist, me daughter, she's 11-year-old. Zane, me I tell you. And that's why I take it so personal. My daughter, remember say all the years me I do music, you know, me never do publicity stunt yet. Me just put out my song them and promote them. Because I believe in a talent. Octavia is 10. She write music when she have 5. Her first song she come out when she 10. She drop her next song when she 11. All of them go around it. Me link them direct and say, yo, if you don't have personal things with me, don't put it on her. She's very special as an 11-year-old. The world need to hear her. Where she write as 11 lava. Enough man, we are 19, 20, 25, 20. Nah, do it. Zane, big up Shotgun, hear her and say me, happy vice her DJ. She bad. Zoom, big up Zoom, them vice her. And I said to them, say, yo, don't make she boss. And when she boss, and when I want jingles and ray on the car and get it, I say she sell out. That's what we do as Jamaicans. We don't glorify the people, them kill them boss, and when them boss, we sell them a pussy. Then some reach out to enough of the man them go around. Some of them read it, some of them not read. Some of them say, but money you know want, just tell me what the money you know want, because I want promote her. Them go around it same way. Alright, remember you know, my song not on for them platform, none at all. See, no matter how much song me put out, you will never go on them platform go see one I-Octane review or one I-Octane song. None at all. Octavia the same thing, my artists, them in Conquer the Globe are the same thing. Boom. I say, alright, one girl, 3 million, she in the video, she do the things, them and me do the things. What is things? The word things. I don't understand. I never know so the word things.
For them things different.
Well, so I say, Zoom, watch your style, you know. Drop the video. The video went viral in less than 5 hours. It depends on every single platform. When me call and me link and me text and me say, yo, put music, and then decline it. But every single person remove the word things. Me do one live and me say, majority of these vloggers don't know that I can sue all of them and reach out for all of them and shut down on the page. What you do thing with name defamation of character. Because you don't go school and you don't bright. See? It name defamation of character. I can say the word things and you remove it and put up a headline say, Octane confess say him eat pum pum.
Right.
Me never know what the word things mean, eating pum pum or fucking body or sucking ray or do that or do that or do that. No, you know, 99% of the money in the world are eat pussy. You know? So it's the norm for a lot of people out there. But me never know say the word. If Lava should say, yo, tomorrow morning I wake up, if me not a good vibe, me I go do something special. Me never know say the word special mean eat. You understand what me I say? So them run with it. I me I show you because show me say me I make sure I forward out to the video first. And show me say that. And then boom, it go viral. When me have them attention, because me know say so we stay. Because Jamaicans have a thing where them say. The first thing will come out of them mouth when them disagree with you. The 3 things. Suck your mother, pussy you go dead, batty boy, and you suck pussy. Zane? And if you're a Rasta, you're a Jed. Zane? Good.
True.
And that them do. And them run with every platform. Alright. These motherfuckers now chat and laugh pants. All who are cussing, no need for listen. These motherfuckers now